Okay, I am doing a strawberry refrigerator cake. And this is the homemade whipped cream. And all it is heavy whipping cream and sugar. And then I'm going to make a strawberry crunch topping to put on it. And that's going to be our strawberry refrigerator cake. And that's it. So I will be back when I get my strawberry crunch topping made. See you soon. Okay, I am back. And here is my strawberry crunch topping. And all it is 20 golden Oreos that are crushed, 1 3-ounce bag of strawberry jello, the powder only, and then 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You mix all that together and you have your strawberry crunch topping. So I am going to start putting this on here. And this is really all you do. My hands are clean. Matter of fact, I'm going to wash them again. And what I'm going to do now, because this is going to take longer than I want, is I am going to, and you see that I'm washing my hands thoroughly, although I've already washed them. And I'm just going to take some of this and just start sprinkling it all over my strawberry cake. Depriving them of sleep and subjecting them to grueling interrogation sessions that would go on. And this is actually, according to my recipe, enough for one 9x13 cake, which is what this is. But it looks like I'm going to have a little more than I want, or that I need rather, but that's okay. I'll keep it and use it for something else. But they were about to find some unwitting subject. Starting in the 1950s and running up through at least the early 1970s, the CIA was involved in a it's really all you do. In which it was trying to alter the minds of subjects without their knowing it. I know I'm making a mess, but I will get all this cleaned up. And this is my